Welcome back, guys, to a new video. I'm doing an assignment for reading of some sorts. So we're doing, why does the G make the J sound? So only way the G can make the J sound is if there's a I, E, or a Y in front of the G. It would be after it. Okay, now we're going to do another word. I have to do 3 words for it. So now it is gym. So the letters Y, so it's G and then Y, and then the G will make the J sound, making gym. So now the final word for this. So the G G will make the J sound because there's a E next to it on the right side. Only the right side, not the left side. No. Okay, so now we're going to switch to the next one, which is the C will make the S sound. Okay, so this is showing like the food. So now in the last clip, I said that we are now going to be doing why the C make the S sound. So if there's a I, a E, or a Y in the right side, again, not the left side, no. In this case, it is the E. So you go to C, E, and then all the extra letters. The next word is the spice, cinnamon. Okay, so in this one, it is a C and then the I, which now it's the I sound again, and the next to it on the right side, not the left side. It would not work if it's the left side. No. Okay, so my next word is cymbal, which is the instrument that goes bang. It makes a really loud clappy sound. So it is the Y, and it goes to C, Y, and all the extra words. Remember, it's in the right side, not the left side. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe this video. Bye.